morning, students. Today we revise our next chapter, our village, our city. Okay, in that, open your CW, previous CW, and put your fingers on first fill in the blanks. So, the national highway passes through Maval. Okay, Maval, Maval, Taluka of Pune. The railway line passes through Daun Taluka of Pune. Daund, Daun. The railway line passes through Daun Taluka of Pune. A famous place, Sinhgarh, is located in Haveli Taluka. Haveli, Haveli Taluka. There is a sanctuary in Baramati Taluka. Baramati, Baramati, Baramati Taluka. Fifth one, Jejuri is located in Purandar Taluka. Purandar, Purandar Taluka. Okay, students. Now see true and false. First one, airway is the main mode of transport in Pune district. True or false? False. 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 Airway is the main mode of transport in Pune district. False. Second, boat and ship are the main means of water transport. True. Boat and ship are the means of water transport is true. 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 Shivneri Fort is located in Mulsi Taluka. Okay. Shivneri Fort, that is false. 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 There is an airport at Lohgaon. There is an airport at Lohgaon. True. 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 Now, buses, train, car and are the means of transport used on land. Buses, train, car. The three are the means of transport used on land. True. 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 Okay. Now see, match the pairs. Match the pairs. First one, Malshes. Malshed. Malshes Ghat. 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 Shivneri. Shivneri. Shivneri Fort. 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 Shivneri Fort. Third one, Mayureshwar Sanctuary. Mayureshwar. Mayreshwar. Mayureshwar Sanctuary. Santuary. Okay, century. Now answer the following question only in words. Okay, a stop for train. Stop for train. Station. 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 A place where plane lands. Airport. 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 A place from where a ship departs. Port. Port. A fastest mode of transport. Airway. Airways. Airways. The slowest mode of transport. Waterway. Waterways. Waterways. Now see, answer the following question in one sentence. Which items from vegetables, onion, wheat, motorcycle, books, television and radio come to the city from the village? Okay, we have to choose from this atom only. Vegetables, onions and wheat come to the city from the village. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Onion, onions, onions. And wheat, wheat, wheats come to the city from the village. Village. Second question, Which item from vegetables, onions, wheat, motorcycle, books, television and radio come to the village from the city? That is, motorcycle, books, television and radio come to village from the city. Motorcycle, motorcycles. Books, books. Books. Television, television. Television and radio, radio. Radio comes to village from the city. Third one, name the mode of transport. Name the modes of transport. The modes of transport are: first, road, roads, roads. Second, railways, railways, railways. Third, waterways, waterways, waterways. Fourth, airways, airways, airways. Okay, now fourth question, what is communication? Answer is, sending and receiving message is called communication. Sending, sending, sending and receiving, receiving. Receiving message is called communication. Now see the last question. Which is the state language of Maharashtra? Marathi, Marathi. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. Okay, Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. So students, we finished here revision that chapter, our village, our city here. So read this 2 times and write in your EVS CW in 1 time as a revision. Okay students.